Today, I'm excited to share my review of the KTRIO Ergonomic Keyboard Wrist Rest, Memory Foam Wrist Rest for Computer Keyboard Mousepad Set. This set is specifically designed to offer comfort, reduce fatigue, and help prevent repetitive stress injuries like carpal tunnel syndrome. A boon for people who spend long hours at their desks, whether that's in an office or at home. Beginning with its standout features, the ergonomic mousepad is a true game changer. It is engineered to maintain your wrist in a straight, neutral position as you type or navigate with your mouse. This simple yet highly effective design minimizes strain, alleviates discomfort, and is especially beneficial for users who struggle with wrist pain due to extended computer use. Another significant advantage is the inclusion of a memory foam comfort zone. Designed using super soft and breathable material, this wrist rest gracefully contours to the natural curve of your wrist, thereby reducing pressure points. New users may notice a slight rubber odor upon opening the package, but it quickly dissipates, proving that the material is both effective and durable. The non-slip rubber base is another practical feature that makes this set impressive. It holds the wrist rests securely in place, ensuring that neither the keyboard pad nor the mouse pad shifts around during intense sessions of typing or even during gaming. This stability is essential not only for comfort but also for maintaining precision in mouse movements. In terms of size, the set has been thoughtfully designed. With a spacious 17.2 by 3.12.9 inches keyboard wrist rest pad and a 9.8 by 8.6 by 0.9 inches mouse pad, the fit is versatile enough to accommodate a variety of laptop keyboards, including larger gaming keyboards. This thoughtful design makes it a strong competitor against similar products on the market, which often compromise on either size or comfort. There are a few modest drawbacks, though. The slight rubber odor on first opening could be off-putting to some users, though it is temporary. Additionally, while the set provides excellent ergonomic support, users with extremely large hands or specially contoured setups might need customizable options. To get the most out of this wrist rest set, it is advisable to pair it with a desk setup that allows your arms to be at a comfortable angle and to take regular breaks during long working or gaming sessions. This not only enhances comfort, but also contributes to overall health. In summary, the KTRIO Ergonomic Keyboard, Wrist Rest, and Mousepad set is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their work or gaming station. Its blend of memory foam comfort, stability, and versatile size makes it a top contender in the ergonomic accessory market. I would definitely recommend this set to anyone who values comfort and health in a busy, computer-driven lifestyle.